Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2007 Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle Road King with only 45,461 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with heated grips and cruise control, though the cruise control is inoperable. It's been upgraded with a Vance & Hines exhaust with true dual headers and twin/oval slip-on mufflers, LED driving lights, an LED headlight, LED front and rear turn signals, and we've replaced the front tire. The Road King fills the gap between larger tourers and smaller cruisers, giving riders versatility. The Screamin' Eagle Road King takes things in a factory custom direction, complete with tasteful details and stunning paint. Powered by a 110 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Screamin' Eagle Road King puts 115 foot-pounds of low-end torque through a 6-speed transmission. It has a 26.3 inch seat height and weighs in at 754 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.